In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a keyboard in Figma. Now, this is actually very simple. Of course, you can do it manually, but if you wanted the easy way and the quick way, you want to go ahead and click up here, top left on the main menu, and then you want to hover over Plugins and click on Manage Plugins. Here, you want to go into Assets, and you want to look for Keyboard. There we go. And then as you can see over here, you have a bunch of different keyboards. You can even click on see more and you'll be able to see all of the different keyboards over here. When you find one you're happy with, you can just click on it like this and then click on insert and then click on agree, whatever it asks you to. And then there we go. As you can see, your keyboard has now been inserted into your image. So yeah, you can then resize it as you wish, put it wherever you want, and then use it however you intended to use it. So of course you will have a bunch of different ones. This is just one of the examples, and then you can just of course use it however you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.